SI Main Stage.
Happy ending stories, parents that appreciate life and all its glory. Pass it to the children from generation to generation. Pave the road from incarceration to liberation of mind. We were born to fry, we can be more than survive till you die. Your spirit is immortal, open the portal. Be patient, nothing happens with the first try. We need patience, pursuing spot the evasion. We need practice, on the daily like it's the paper. Need people, ain't no change without your equals. Need action, the start of a new ethos. No tricks, no gimmicks, teach children to think with no limits. Understand the system we're in and the role in it, and the roll with it or they break free. Find the holes in it and see reality. And our purpose gets clearer, peace on earth nearer. Fellow humans there in the era. Next time we talk to a child, be sincere, so to see themselves truly, then we'll look for a mirror. I see the truth, I know you do too. Why do we live in this world the way we do? Your arms are tight, they got to your mind. Don't let them get to your soul, get to your heart. I see the truth, I know you do too. Why do we live in this world the way we do? Your arms are tight, they got to your mind. Don't let them get to your soul, don't let them get to your heart. Good word, what a good word, it's better rhyme. With tall honesty and kindness is what gets you the crown. Our role models are the ones on the path to the divine, and they lift our spirits up in times we start to decline. We have integrity, have our principles, protect them heavily. Morality to choose the next step carefully to help the person next to me. Self-reflection to be the best of me. Learning that we are one, you are the rest of me. A world with hope and vision. Respect for the elderly, full of love and wisdom. We're living in the system, is not in collision with our well-being. That's the world I wanna live in, that's the mission. Now I'm seeing a lot of self-work, the hardest of all. Fighting shadows, getting hurt, rising stronger from your falls. Develop intuition so you can hear your call. Teach your children what's on one day, yeah. I see the truth, I know you do too. Why do we live in this world the way we do? Your arms are tight, they got to your mind. Don't let them get to your soul, get to your heart. I see the truth, I know you do too. Why do we live in this world the way we do? Yeah, your arms are tight, they got to your mind. Don't let them get to your soul, don't let them get to your heart. I see the truth, I know you do. Why do we live in this world the way we do? Your arms are tight, they got to your mind. Don't let them get to your soul, don't let them get to your heart.
All right. Main Stage.
How we feeling?
Radio SI Main Stage.